Hey guys, I am back with a new video update. And what are we talking about today? What I use on my hair, from my hair products to hair accessories, morning routines, nighttime routines, you name it. I'm going to show you the actual visual and brands of what I use. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned to see what keeps these Microlocs happy. And, and by the way, here's a little quick update on my growth. Oh, coming through. Woo-hoo. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're going to get into all of these items that are shown right here, and talk about why they are my friends. All right, guys, so we're going to get into it. And by the way, if you have not liked and subscribed, I would love for you to do so. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you will be a continued visitor of this page so we can go on this journey together. I have videos about a year and 2 months back, and just check it out. And if you've been with me, thank you for continuing to roll with me. I'm going to try, guys, to continue to post these videos at least every month. I have a lot going on in grad school, but I want to still share my journey with you. Now let's get into it. Now, this is a product, guys, that I used at the beginning of my journey. When I first got my Microlocs, I had about 6 inches of hair, and my hair probably would stop about right here. So it's several inches longer than what it was originally. That meant it was harder to put it up into a ponytail without some of the locks falling out. I could get some hairs in, but many fell out. This lock sock saved my life, and I still use it now. This is actually a fashion accessory, but I purposed it a lot of the times for getting my hair out of my my way when I shower. And what I would do is I would take my hair. I'm going to show you. And again, it's the cutest little sock, guys. And it also can serve as a means in the shower to get all of your hair off of your neck and whatnot. Getting closer, as you can see, it can be a cute little accessory. So if you have shorter hair, guys, something similar or this actual brand is awesome. And you can quickly get in the shower or go to the beach and get this quick fix. Now, as my hair got longer, before I show you that, let me show you what I also did. Look at me. So another method that I would use, that was also a great method if I do not want that much water or moisture getting to my edges or getting into my hair. Now, what about when I wanted a lot of moisture from the shower? These duck clips have been my friend. And I would just simply clip, and I would have a multiple quantity of these and just clip, and as you get the point, clip and take it around. And this is also a quick means of getting the hair off of the head when you want to take a shower. I use this method when I wanted to get maximum steam to all of my locks, but I did not want my hair saturated, particularly like during the winter months, and you don't want to walk out with a wet head. Well, thankfully now my hair is long enough to where I use a basic scrunchie. I love these, guys, and they come in larger sizes. If you have very thick hair, this may be too small for you, but they have the extra large scrunchies. But now my hair is long enough, and I kind of do a combination method. I take the clip for my shorter bang and I clip that up, and then I put the rest into a pony. And I tend to pull the pony through like this, and that way there's not too many hairs on my neck when I shower. And it's a quick way, because I personally do not cover my locks up with a shower cap, because I do like the steam that the shower gives my hair, okay? It's like a quick fix. I also use these clips, guys, for just brushing my teeth. If you have locks that have gotten longer, you know how when you lean your head forward, your locks are in your face. So I take these clips while I am brushing my teeth, and I just do this. And it's so simple, but it allows me to be in the sink, brush my teeth, and I don't have hair flopping all in my face. Now, up next, we're going to talk about the hair products that I use. And I just keep looking crazy on this video. I actually forgot one product that I use, but I think I'll combine it with the miscellaneous. So let's go ahead and get into those hair products. So many of y'all have been hearing me say forever. Let me straighten the camera, guys. I'm still crooked. All right. I love aloe vera juice. And I've put pictures, but here's the actual big old jug. Okay. This aloe vera juice is found at Walmart.com or in the store. And if I'm not mistaken, it's about $6 or $7. You see, mine is almost gone. But it is from 100% hand cultivated inner gel feel. And I love it, guys. It provides so much moisture. I want you all to look up the benefits of aloe vera juice on the hair, the skin. It is awesome. I may even do a video on it. Just, you know, if you don't feel like looking it up, I'll look it up for you and tell you. But a few things are, it's supposed to help with growth. It helps with dandruff. It helps with moisture. Love it. So what I do, guys, one of my areas is this bottle. I love it. This bottle I got from Amazon.com. And it's a continuous spray, fine moisture spray. So let's first talk about the bottle and then the aloe vera juice inside. So the bottle, as you can see, I hope y'all can see. Let me show you up close. You see that? Hold on. Inside it just. So you spray one time and it just continues. Look at that. I'm gonna spray 1001, 1002, 1003. Praise the Lord. Okay. Now, what I love about this continuous mist spray is it is extremely fine, and as a result, you don't overly saturate your hair unless you want to. If you want it to be more saturated, you just continue to spray. Continue to spray. Oh, look. Oh, my God. Oh, can y'all see all this spray? Oh, God. Look at my face. Just, okay. Whoops. And if it gets on your skin, it's good for it, too. But, so let's say you want a light mist just to refresh. It's a great refresher. And you can literally spray it. And your hair feels just enough moisturized, but it is not overly saturated. And it feels great. I mean, great on the scalp. So I sometimes go right into the roots of my hair and spray directly. And it feels fantastic. And again, this is just pure aloe vera juice inside the bottle. There's no water in there. I keep it pure. People ask me, well, hey, can you keep this out? I do. I've not had a problem with it being, with it going rancid, okay? But I do use it up within about a week, typically, so I don't feel it more than I can use without it being in the bottle for too long, if that makes sense. Now, there's sometimes, guys, when I feel like I need just a little bit more than aloe vera juice. Now, I only use this for the first few months, up to maybe a year and a half, maybe close to the 2-year mark. I added nothing else to my hair routine besides this and pretty much shampoo. Now, since the 2-year mark, I have added on a few more things because my hair is fully locked. And that is this bottle. Now, this bottle has aloe vera juice with water to about right here. And then a few drops, or about a cap full, I believe, of this Jamaican black castor oil. Got this from Walmart. And some extra virgin olive oil. Doesn't matter the brand, but I do prefer extra virgin. A few drops of this, about a cap full of this. And what it does, the oils to me sometimes give me a little shine if my hair looks dry, or if my hair just feels a little bit depleted. And it also helps to somewhat tame some of the frizzies down, okay? And it's in this bottle and not this one, because this is a fine mist spray and the oil is just too thick to come out of here. It will clog this nozzle. So this is one of your more traditional bottles at the beauty supply store, and it can handle the thicker oil consistency. And I don't use this one as often. And when you use it, I would shake it, kind of mix those oils up. And this is also a great spray for the scalp. Maybe you don't want to put oil on your hair, but the scalp works too. Or do both. How often you use it depends upon where you are in your journey. Again, I don't recommend it in the beginning when your hair is at a risk for slipping. But once you get the approval, I love this as well. Now, we also have, guys, my shampoo. I've mentioned this over and over again in my videos. It's the Tea Tree Oil Shampoo, generic value products, Paul Mitchell brand. Leaves hair soft and manageable. I get this at the local beauty supply store. Sally's, I know, always has it. And I love it. It shampoos my hair. It gets it very clean without stripping it. My hair has never felt dry using this shampoo. And this is the only shampoo I've ever used on my hair. I think, well, no, I'm telling the story. I did at the beach use Cream of Nature this past summer because I left it. But 99% of the time, this has been my thing. And those are some of the main products. Well, what about conditioner? I don't use it. I have not used it. As far as like a leave-in conditioner, I've never used a leave-in conditioner on my hair in the entire history of having locks, even with this color, which is why I love having this aloe vera juice and this in my mix, because I feel like my colored hair gets some nutrients and some nourishment without being weighed down and without giving me lock build up. Now, up next, and the last thing we're going to discuss is what about a few miscellaneous items that I don't need, but I do like, and I use it, I'll say, sometimes. And guys, I know this video is a little longer than some of my usuals, but just continue to hang in there, and hopefully you'll find some of these products of use to you. Now, I will say some of these products, guys, you're going to see they're on their last leg, okay? I actually use them, so they're almost gone, okay? Now, this is one that is a miscellaneous item that I have not started using until after the 2-year mark, and I use it sparingly. It is the cream. I cannot find the top. Again, I use it, sorry. It's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil with the From Morocco Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. When and how do I use this? Sometimes I use it with a braid out for it to last longer. Sometimes I use it across the top of my hair. I'll pump a few items and I will just literally take it through. And why would I do this? Sometimes when my hair gets very close to the end, it gets extremely frizzy. Fine hair problems. And that kind of tames the frizz down. Look at that. Other times it's my edges. I don't know about you, but when it gets close to the retightening time, my baby hairs come all the way out, okay? They're just doing their thing. This is a great method to tame them. How do you do it? One, I will take a small pump, I put it on my edges, and sometimes it's all I do. And what that does, let me get close, it causes, do you see that? It causes the edges to sort of curl up and just sort of blend in. That's a quick fix. Well, what about if you want to make it last longer? Hence my next product that I love. This scarf is just for your edges, and I got it at my local beauty supply store. If you tie it around your hair, let me get this out the way for a second. It will lay your edges down, okay? Now, when do you do it? It depends on how frizzy your edges are and how much time you have. And if you think about it. If you think about it at night, you want to go ahead and lay it down. And as you can see, the cool thing is if you are very easy to get hot at night, the rest of your hair is free. And your edges are still covered. and they're going to naturally flatten over the night from the pressure. You don't have time for that. You forgot. You're sleeping. Don't stress. Do this in the morning while you're getting dressed, and it will give the same method. Now, if you combine this with this, your edges will sure enough be all the way together. If you don't want to, take this out and just apply some water or some aloe vera juice and then lay it down, and your edges will be all the way together. And speaking of edges, let's just keep this on for a minute. You know, it kind of matches my outfit. Oh. I needed a edge control gel that keeps my edges down, yet it's not extremely stiff. So kind of like hold that is also pliable. The best one I have found thus far for me is this, and does not leave flakes, is this Style Factor Edge Booster. And it smells so good, guys. It comes in a variety of scents. This is the grape scent. I don't know if y'all can see it. This is the consistency. It's clear. And I love it. So this is another product that I use. Now I am a lock sister that likes to lay her edges down. This is one of my miscellaneous items that gets used often. And I have my nice little edge brush that I use. And guys, I want to do a quick video sometime soon on how I quickly clean my edge brushes. And it is so simple. But yeah, that was a lot, guys. But those are my, I know in the natural hair community, they say my holy grails. Some of those are tried and true, that they are in the routine on the regular, like the spray, bottles, the scrunchie, the clips, and the shampoo. Oh, speaking of shampoo, I almost forgot one. Why do I have this? This is my best friend when I do not want my hair wet after shampooing. I shampoo my hair, then I take my hair forward, and this microfiber cloth gets applied to my hair, and you tuck it inside, you twist, and you bring it up, and then this little cute little loop goes on the button, and it literally will dry your hair immediately to where it's not dripping. It may be damp, but it is not dripping. I'll keep giving vibes. Yes, so this Amazon beauty supply store, so many places. It is a microfiber cloth, but get the one that is easy to adjust. So again, guys, with my crazy self, I hope this has been helpful. And if you've not liked and subscribed, again, I would love for you to. And I really, actually, guys, love hearing from you all in the comment section. And I try to answer every single question within 24 hours if I can. And if I have not, it's only because life is crazy, and I will get to it soon. Have a great, great day. And if you, again, have other questions, comments, or feedback, I'd love to hear from you. Bye-bye.